Isaiah said at the end of days, the mount of the house of Hashem will be raised. Higher than hills is the head of the peaks. All nations will flow to it like creeks. Many people will go and they will sing. Let's climb the mountain of Hashem today. In the house of Yaakov, God will pray. We'll learn his paths and follow his ways. For from Zion shall the Torah come, and the word of Hashem from Jerusalem. He'll judge the nations left and right, and settle so many people's fights that they beat the swords and spears they wield into plowshares and pruning hooks for their fields. And no nation will lift a sword, for they will study war no more. May you return and dwell within Jerusalem with compassion, as you did say. Do not delay, may it be soon within our days. Built up eternally with speed, set up the throne of your servant David. Blessed are you, O Lord Hashem, the builder of Jerusalem. Beis Hamikdash,
The Mishkan was constructed to resemble the human body. In order to teach us that every Jew who sanctifies himself becomes a Mishkan, a dwelling place for the Shekhinah. We have the cherubim, the lungs. We have the shulchan, the stomach. We have the menorah, the mind. We also have the ketores, which represents smell. And we also have the leva, which represents all the body fluids. And we have goat skin, which represents human skin, and cedar wood, which represents the ribs. Can you see them?
Ribs.
This is the preparation of the korban.
May it be your will, Lord our God and God of our fathers, that the blessing which you have commanded me to bless your children Israel shall be a perfect blessing and shall contain within it no iniquity or impediment from now and for all time. Baruch atah Hashem Elokeinu melech haolam, asher kidshanu b'kosho shel ha'aretz v'tzivanu levarech es amo Yisrael ba'ahava.
Amen.
Blessed art thou, Lord our God, King of the verse, who has sanctified us with the sanctity of Aaron and commanded us to bless your children Israel with love. Would everybody please stand for the Birchas HaKohanim? Yevarechecha Adonai v'yishmerecha.
Amen. May the Lord bless you and protect you.
Ya'er Adonai panav alecha v'chonecha.
Amen. May he turn his face to you and shine his countenance upon you.
Yisa Adonai Panav Elecha, V'yasein Lecha Shalom.
Amen.
May he turn to you and grant you peace.
V'samu et shmi al b'nei Yisrael, v'ani avrechem.
Amen.
And they shall place my name upon the children of Israel, and I shall bless them.
Healing hands, channel divine flow, connecting infinite, above and below, from Hashem to here. The mind is an excellent servant and a terrible master, a wise friend once whispered. Only you, only I have the resources to reach inwards, brave myself, and look in and beyond the mirror. The mind is powerful, can control and destroy, create stories of destruction, distract from truth. The mind is resourceful, intelligent. On one side, cleverly concocts and calculates conclusions. On the other, creatively and courageously catapults into the canon of subconscious. In learning to listen to both sides and synthesizing a synergy of both energies, can I refine the menorah of my mind. Marvel at the miraculous wits, burning bright with the infinite light of Hashem. Back to the breath. Back to the breath. In. Out. Inhale. Exhale. Back to the breath. The essential life force gifted from Hashem. Ribs rise and fall, sturdy cedar beams, walls of the temple. House the cherubim, life-giving lungs that inflate with breath, which by the light of Hashem gives power and health. These angel lungs of Hashem protect the ark, the divine spark flows into the heart, a moment of gratitude for this frequently forgotten holy force. We couldn't survive without it, of course. Taurus, incense transports us directly into this present moment, here and now. A sense of smell is to be alive and well. Sometimes there is humility in the smallness, when awed by the scent of a jasmine flower, a stick of sandalwood, grandma's chicken soup, even though I'm vegetarian. Suddenly my stomach rumbles as a feast forms on the shulchan and the showbread is blessed. And even once blessed, I'll try to remember to consider the impact on my body, mind, spirit. For often we consume obliviously, automatically, to feed some deeper need or deeper desire or need. I invite you to simply take a moment to feel, to treat your body, your temple, with kindness, and listen to what's really true. I say this to me as much as I say it to you. Healing hands, channel divine flow, connecting infinite, above and below.